Welcome students. Today let us start chapter first, practice set 2. Practice set 1 we already completed all the questions 1 to 5. Now let's start today practice set 2. In practice set 2 we have to learn how to draw a triangle with the measures given below. Some measures will be given to you and you have to construct a triangle. Now see your first question, practice set 2's. In triangle ABC, one triangle. First, before starting you will have to draw one rough figure. So this is your rough figure. So the name of the triangle is ABC. First you draw a rough triangle like this. Then in triangle ABC they are giving you some measurements. Length of AB is 5.5 centimeter. Length of BC is 4.2 centimeter. Length of AC is 3.5 centimeter. As it is a rough figure I am just naming it. What is the name of the triangle? ABC. So I am giving the name like this to the triangle ABC. Now length of AB is how much? 5.5 centimeter. So where is AB? How much it is? 5.5 centimeter. So write it how much it is given. Then BC. This is side BC. How much BC is given? 4.2 centimeter. Then length of AC. AC is how much given? 3.5 centimeter. I have named it like this ABC. You can even draw the figure like this also. You can name it from here also, ABC. Then you can put the measurement. AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 4.2 centimeter, AC is 3.5 centimeter. I am doing this one. Any one you can do. So first of all draw the rough figure. Make a rough triangle, give its measurements and then start with the fair figure. Now let's draw the fair figure. For drawing the fair figure, always start with the base. What is the base? AB 5.5 centimeters. So take a scale. In the scale, draw the base AB 5.5 centimeter. So from 0 after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5.5. This is your base AB. How much it is? 5.5 centimeter. Then take a compass. Then from B to C, how much is the distance? 4.2. So this you have to take it in a compass with the help of scale. So 4.2. After 4, 2 lines. So I have taken it in a compass, this 4.2 distance. Now keep it on B and make a arc like this. Is it okay? Now third side is AC. AC is how much? 3.5. So take again 3.5 in compass. 3.5. So I have taken 3.5 in compass. Now keep it on A as it is AC 3.5 and cut the previous arc. Now join this, make an intersection point like this of two arcs and then join it to get the triangle AC, and this one was BC. And here is your point C. So this triangle is ready, ABC. This was your rough figure, this is your fair figure. And write its measurement. AB was 5.5 centimeter, BC 4.2 centimeter and AC is 3.5 centimeter. Is it okay? So let's move to the second. In triangle STU. So first of all draw the rough figure as I told you. You can draw it, name it any way. First draw the rough figure like this. STU. Name the triangle. In triangle STU, length of ST is 7 centimeter. Where is ST? Is down, base. So write it how much it is? 7 centimeter. TU is 4 centimeter. Where is TU? See here it is TU. How much it is? 4 centimeter. Then SU is how much? 5 centimeter. So after drawing rough figure, let's draw the fair figure. For drawing fair figure, let us start with the base. How much is ST? 7 centimeter. So draw the 7 centimeter base from 0 till here 7. Okay, this is your ST 7 centimeter. Now from T to U, how much is the distance? 4 centimeter. You have to take that in compass. Don't take directly. First take that distance in a compass. So 4 centimeter. So I have taken 4 centimeter. Keep your pointer on T. make a arc like this. Now from S to U, how much is SU is how much? 5 centimeter. Take again that in compass, 5 centimeter. Is it okay? 5 centimeter. Then keep it on S, cut that arc. Now join these two sides of the triangle. SU 5 centimeter and here U 4 centimeter. Here the name of the vertex U. So SU was 5 centimeter and TU was 4 centimeter. So this is your final figure. Now let's move to the third sum. In triangle PQR. So draw one rough figure of triangle. Name the triangle. What's the name of the triangle? PQR. Then write its measurement of the sides. All three sides are only given. PQ is 6 centimeter. PQ is 6 centimeter. QR is 3.8. Here is QR 3.8. PR is 4.5 centimeter. Now children, as usual, start with a base. PQ. PQ is how much? 6 centimeter. So from 0 till 6 centimeter you have to make one line. So this is your PQ, 6 centimeter. Now from Q to R the distance is 3.8. Take it in a compass with the help of scale. 3.8. After 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3.8 you have to take. From Q, make one arc like this, 3.8. Now from P to R it is how much? 4.5. Take it in a compass again, 4.5. After 4, 5 lines. This is your 4.5. Keep it on P. Cut the above arc and then join this from the intersection point of the above arcs to get the sides of the triangle. 4.5 and this was 3.8. Here name the triangle's vertex, last one PQR. So these are the three sides of the triangle. PR is 4.5 and QR is 3.8 centimeter. So question number 1, all the three questions are done. Now question number 2. Draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeter and other sides 3.5 centimeter. Children, you have learnt about in last 6th standard three types of triangle with on the basis of its side. If all the three sides of triangle are equal, it is equilateral triangle. If only two sides are equal, that triangle is called as an isosceles triangle. Whose all the sides are equal, that one is called as an equilateral triangle. And isosceles means only two sides are equal, that one is isosceles triangle. And whose no side is equal, all the sides are different length, that one is scalene triangle. These three triangles you already learned. Now so we have to construct a which triangle over here? Isosceles triangle. For that base you have to take it 5 centimeter and other sides 3.5. So let's draw the rough figure first. This is isosceles triangle. So first similarly you will draw one rough figure. You can give any name to this triangle. Suppose I am giving here name ABC. Base is how much, children? 5 centimeter. So base you have to take it as 5 centimeter and other two sides. So these are the two sides. They are how much? 3.5 centimeter. So you have to take them as 3.5 centimeter. So this is your isosceles as these two sides are same. So let's draw the fair figure. Base is how much? 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter down with the help of a scale directly. So this is your base BC, 5 centimeter. Now from A to B or C to A, how much is the distance? 3.5. Take it in a scale, 3.5. Keep it here. Make arc. From B to A is also same, 3.5. 3.5 is already taken. So keep it on a B, cut it. Join this to make a get the sides. So this is your isosceles triangle ready. These two sides are same, that is 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, and the base was BC, that is 5 centimeter. So we have seen till here. Now question number 3 and 4 we will see in the next part. Till then practice question number 1 and 2. That's all.